Hey people, welcome back to my channel. If Telegram search is not working on your iPhone, this video will help you fix it step by step. Let's get started with some basic solutions. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off and ensure you're on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. The pencil workaround. If the app closes immediately when you tap the search bar, there is a built-in alternative to access the search function. Open Main Chat List. Tap the pencil icon in the top right corner. Use the search bar at the top of the screen. This works even when the main search bar is bugged. Solution 2. Reindex chat history. Go to Telegram settings. Tap the settings icon in the bottom right 10 times quickly. A hidden debug menu will appear. Select Reindex on read counters or reset holes. Restart the app. This forces Telegram to scan your messages again so they appear in search results. Solution 3. Clear Telegram cache. Open Telegram, then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Data and Storage. Now tap Storage Usage and tap Clear Cache. Solution 4. Toggle Disable Filtering. If you're searching for specific groups and channels and they don't appear, Apple's sensitive content filter might be hiding them at the system level. This can only be toggled via the web. Log into web.telegram.org. Go to Settings. After that, go to Privacy and Security. Find sensitive content and check the box for Disable Filtering. Force quit and restart the app on your iPhone. Solution 5. Check system-wide settings. Go to iPhone settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap Apps. After that, look for Telegram, then go to Search. And ensure Show App in Search and Show Content in Search are both on. Reopen Telegram and try using the search again. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share for more Telegram and iPhone solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.